And welcome back to Talking Tech. Today we have the Bose frames that we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at, courtesy of Bose. So shout out to Bose for providing these to us to allow us to unbox them and review them and enjoy them really. I'm quite excited. So we have the Alto for, Rondo style. So there's two different types. You have the rounded edge and then you have the flat edge, which are more of the Ray-Ban sort of look. Now these are an awesome new sort of development that not many people have thought of, but it's essentially speakers in your sunglasses, which is great because I think of, let's say I'm running for the train going to work, I don't need to worry about grabbing my headphones and my sunnies and chucking them on. You just chuck these on and they're both put on at the same time. And what it does is it essentially emits sound through the little edges on the side, and it doesn't seem like it's that loud enough for someone else next to you to hear, which is what we're going to be testing as well. So it's a nice slim packet. Now it's got a few cool features: Bose AR, over-the-air updates, Bluetooth connection to your phone. Obviously, you can take calls with it, and it's got a mic inbuilt as well. It's 99% UVA, UVB protected, which is good that it's working as sunglasses. And they just look really good. There is a bit of chunk on the side, I will admit, where the technology is stored really, but I don't think you can escape that given what you're getting. Now you're going to get 12 hours on standby battery or 3.5 in use, which is pretty decent. And let's get straight into the box. So that is a very nice box. Nice work, Bose. A little sunglass case, and you open it. Oh, that's a very cool design, and it just opens straight up. So we'll double check this first. Nice little bag. I presume there's going to be a cable in there. And there it is. So, okay, so it's got a magnetic charger. So you plug it into USB. Now I like this touch. It's gold plated there and gold there. So it's going to be magnetically charging your glasses. And here they are. So first thing you'll notice is there is a little bit of chunk to them there, given that they need to store the speakers and the lithium battery and all the technology of the Bluetooth adapter and all that. So there's the other side as well, still a bit of heft as well. There's your charger, is going to be inside there. But they're actually fairly light, fairly sturdy from what I've seen. Looks like they've got good sun protection. And there's... Okay, so it's talking now. That's going to be a button, ready to connect. You can hold it down. Battery's 70%, ready to connect is what it's telling me. Okay, just keep saying that. So it's got gold hinges there, which is quite nice. Download the Bose Connect app. So that's what it's telling me it wants me to do, to download the app. And so putting them on the side, I like that it sort of contours in, so it's not as noticeable for that chunky area. And it doesn't look as weird as you might think. It's not as chunky. And the design as well, which is what I like, because that's a sort of modern design. From the front, it sort of just looks like normal sunglasses. And it works with all your apps, your Spotify, your Apple Music, your Waze, Google Maps, which is good to see. And there's a few different sizes that you can get. So there's the Alto, and then which is the sort of squared off frame, and then there's this one as well. And it's got the app as well, Bluetooth, and they're basically around the larger fit, the size. So you've got about 18 mil there. You've got about 162 mil from there to there. So a decent size. They don't seem too heavy either. They won't sit on your head and be quite chunky, but stay tuned for our review, which we'll post on our website. But so far, they seem pretty cool. I'm actually really excited because it's such a new innovation. I don't know why no one's thought of it earlier. I'm sure there's many other brands that do it, but to know Bose is taking this on board, you can just have if you don't like earphones as well, you can just chuck these on and just listen straight away, which is super cool. Anyway, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.